Award-winning bike hire, sales and repair business. Moonta, South Australia. Copper Trails Bike Hire is a thriving multi-award winning business serving South Australia's Copper Coast and Yorke Peninsula. In under 3 years, the business has expanded from a small bike hire shop to an integral part of the local tourism landscape. Offered as a turnkey business, Copper Trails provides electric bike and bicycle hires, sales, repairs and self-guided tours. The only dedicated bike hire and service provider in the region, this is an exciting opportunity with immense growth potential. The highly visible corner location in Moonta shopping precinct attracts many walk-in locals for bike sales, servicing and accessories. There is a strong tourist trade, good Adelaide and interstate sales and a full workshop for servicing and repairs. With a mix of old rail trails and dedicated bike tracks, this region is perfect for this business with heaps of potential to grow.